Hi everyone, I'm Scott Wolf, based in Portland, Oregon.
And I'm Scott Clary, speaking from Toronto, Ontario, Canada.
And Scott and I are here today to talk about Grass Valley's exciting engagement platform, Gaming and Polling. So Scott, to start us off, how does this platform transform broadcasts?
It turns one-way broadcast into two-way, effectively turning linear into an open communication line between the broadcaster and their audience, allowing anybody sitting anywhere in front of any digital screen to engage and participate.
And what is so crucial about that two-way communication that you brought up, I think, is that
it excites and brings the audience into the broadcast.
So do you see any applications that can benefit from the platform specifically, or do you think the benefits apply to a broader spectrum?
So the varieties are endless because all you're doing is you're putting up some sort of call to action that asks your audience to participate in whatever they're watching. So if there's a digital screen, we're talking news with sentiment about what's going on in the world. Is Trump handling the coronavirus epidemic properly? We're talking sports, trivia, we're talking stadiums, halftime, we're talking esports, questions, trivia, commentary from the audience during the actual gameplay. We're speaking about live, we're speaking about pre-recorded, we're speaking about OTT. Anywhere, quite honestly, there's a screen, there's an opportunity to engage and excite your audience.
So just how quickly can I set up a live poll during a broadcast or get feedback from viewers?
Well, I can either tell you or I can show you. So as Scott started to inquire, he was speaking about how easy it is. So this system is a SaaS system, cloud-based system. It's meant for anybody with a username and password to log in from anywhere in the world with a computer and an internet connection. And they can set up polls on the fly in real time, collect responses, aggregate data in real time, and understand their audience while simultaneously allowing for them to communicate with their audience and open up their broadcast or wherever they're launching these games, polls, contests, trivia for more advertisement and monetization opportunity. So as you can see here, it's very simple to set up a quiz, a poll, a game, a trivia on the fly with a few clicks of a button and some simple text, and then you're immediately able to push that out to wherever you'd like to broadcast it. Now the question that usually comes up is, how do I get it on my screen? Well, Grass Valley Gaming and Polling, being broadcast first, integrates with all major broadcast integration softwares, including VizRT, Chiron, ROS, RT software. So whatever you use to get your broadcast out, whatever you use to get your graphics on screen, we take the information that is input in Grass Valley Gaming and Polling, so your instance, and we clip that through whatever broadcast software you're using, graphic system you're using, that allows you to effectively create and then push out these templates that you can create. So they're beautiful HTML5 templates all onto your screen, your broadcast, your digital screen, wherever it is. And then the second that's live, second that game is live, that quiz is live, that poll trivia is live on screen, now your audience has a call to action. You're telling them where to vote, where to go. You may be collecting some of their information, and all of that is instantly being brought back and aggregated in your dashboard so you can see the results on votes, polls, games, contests, trivia live in real time.
So we've covered ease of engagement, we've covered the simplicity of it, we've covered how quick, how fast it is, but I think there's another category we need to cover here. Can you talk about the advertising and monetization opportunities of the platform?
So let's walk through that. When you have a game, poll, contest, trivia, quiz on screen, your audience is excited, your audience is participating, there's two opportunities to monetize. First of all, on the actual graphic that goes out, we see a lot of our customers putting ad inserts, logos on that graphic that goes out in front of their audience, because now you know that lower third or whatnot full screen graphic doesn't really matter where it's sitting. That's going in front of thousands to millions of eyeballs. So that's one way to monetize. Now the other way with quizzes, of course, people are answering questions, people are answering trivia, people are getting answers right, they're collecting points, they're winning prizes. A lot of the large clients in broadcast that we've worked with that have introduced this into their audience allow for sponsored prizes. So the prizes at the end of the game or at the end of the trivia or quiz is probably associated or in line with whatever event it's being broadcast over, but they're being sponsored by third parties.
So we've covered engagement in terms of how an audience can engage during a live broadcast, but another area I think we need to hit on is gamification. What types of gaming does the platform offer, and what is the process of launching a game, and how do we track viewer responses? Can you go into the intelligence behind it in the platform and how easy we make it for customers.
You have the opportunity for people watching to answer all these questions, win prizes, but think about that for a second. To win a prize, you have to know who's answering the poll, trivia, contest, quiz properly and getting the right answer. To do that, we have a gamification feature built in that allows you, with a simple call to action, go to a landing page, text in, call in. We can collect whatever data you would like, either create profiles for your guests or not, but we can collect all that data. We can collect their first name, last name, phone number, email address, and any other pieces of data that you'd like to collect. We can make it as complex or as simple as you'd like. And now, not only are they a registered user on our gamification platform, but now you have access to all of your viewers' actual contact information, which could be an incredible marketing advantage. Obviously, we enable the double authentication, double opt-in, and we basically allow all of your data accumulation, aggregation, and storage. We take care of that end to end. So all you have is a one-stop shop contesting, gaming, polling, trivia solution, and your audience is excited, they're interacting, they're engaging, and all you're worrying about is, what show do I want to put this on next? The other benefit that ties into the overall presentation is you have a standard that you have to maintain for all the things that go out on your broadcast or anything that you're presenting on a screen anywhere, and we get that. That's why we offer full service graphic design. We offer full service custom templates, branded font, style, colors to whatever you would like to create. All HTML5, all dynamic, all responsive across all potential devices. So you have custom graphics built into whatever show, broadcast, event that you're trying to host, and we take care of that for you. Of course, if you'd like, you can always create your own, and there's a very simple one-click upload process for templates and for graphics, custom graphics within our actual system. So it's all very tailored to be user-friendly, but if you'd like the help, we can create beautiful graphics for you.
That's great. Thank you, Scott. I really appreciate you taking the time to talk with us today. Before we wrap up, can you go into just a little bit more detail in terms of the creative process support that we offer and how people can request more information about the product?
So at the end of the day, this is a full service audience engagement participation TV platform. We take care of literally everything from ideation all the way through to creation, implementation, and technology stack. So anything that you want to launch on your screen anywhere, we can help you out with that with Grass Valley Gaming and Polling. Remember, if you would like to take a look at the backend, the software, get another walkthrough, speak about some of the features, speak about particular use cases, you can book a demo on the Innovate 2020 landing page.